Hello everyone and welcome back to our space exploration countdown. Yesterday we started our 15 days journey, each day revealing a new exciting space exploration topic. Join us on our journey to the launch. There are 14 days left and we have 14 questions for you. Today's question is, what are Artemis 1, 2, 3, and 4? Before we look at the details, it's important to understand that the Artemis was not just one mission. It is a program made of 4 missions: Artemis 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each mission has a different role, and each one prepares the way for the next. Artemis 1 was the first mission in the Artemis program. It launched on November 16th, 2022 from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It used the Space Launch System, also called SLS. The SLS rocket is the strongest rocket ever built. The rocket was so powerful that the ground shook during launch. Before astronauts can fly, everything must be tested very carefully. Even though no people were inside during Artemis 1, all systems worked as if astronauts were on board. Instead of astronauts, Artemis 1 carried test dummies with sensors that measured radiation, vibration, and movement during the flight. Orion traveled more than 400,000 kilometers away from Earth. That is farther than any spacecraft made for humans has ever gone. Orion entered a very stable lunar orbit and used the moon's gravity to save fuel. The most dangerous part of the mission was returning to Earth. Orion entered Earth's atmosphere at extremely high speed and intense heat. Artemis 1 successfully tested the heat shield, navigation systems, and communication with Earth. Artemis 1 was a huge success. So NASA could move forward to sending astronauts. Artemis 2 will be the first Artemis mission with astronauts on board. 4 astronauts will fly inside the Orion capsule, travel around the moon, and then return to Earth. The astronauts will travel farther from Earth than any humans have in the last 50 years. This mission is extremely important because it tests the spacecraft with real people inside. Artemis 3 is the mission many people are most excited about. Planned for around 2027, it will land astronauts on the moon for the first time since Apollo. The landing will take place at the moon's south pole. To achieve this landing, Artemis 3 will use several advanced technologies. Artemis 4 focuses on the future. Planned for 2028 to 2029, this mission will help build Gateway, a small space station orbiting the moon. Artemis 4 will deliver equipment and supplies to allow astronauts to stay and work in lunar orbit for longer periods. Artemis 4 is important because it moves human spaceflight from short visits to long-term exploration. It also tests cooperation between international partners and new technologies needed for long missions. What we learn here will help prepare for future missions, including missions to Mars. Did you find something interesting? Share in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow!